Hi, today we'll be discussing on the calculation of quantity of a wall, okay, quantity calculation or quantity workout, or generally we call it as estimation, okay. Here I have taken only a small room of size 4 meter by 5 meter, or these are the outer dimensions, okay. So here first I'll try with long wall and short wall method. There are two methods of estimation. Okay, one is a long wall short wall method, another one is center line method. Okay, so here before that I'll teach you how to prepare a estimation copy, right? Okay, generally for approval from municipal administrations, okay, so you need to submit a detailed estimation copy of a building, right? Okay, so you need to write the matter in this manner. First one is name of work. Okay, it may be a proposed construction of ground floor residential building at survey number. Okay, there is a specific survey number and plot numbers will be there. Okay, you need to write for that. Okay, you need to write these numbers and city name. Okay, where exactly you are constructing. Okay, so that one. And apart from that, the applicant name. Okay, who is the name of owner? Okay, who is the owner of this building? Okay, and his name should be written here. Okay, and what exactly it is, right? It is detailed estimation. Okay, and it is of ground floor only. Okay, I need to write ground floor here. Okay, so here you can see, okay, as the initial steps I'm only taking a single room without any deductions. Here I have not taken any door, window. Okay, with deductions I have not taken anything, right? Okay, so here what happens, okay, only the solid wall dimensions will be taken into consideration and a specific height. Okay, and I am calculating only a quantity of bbm for superstructure. Okay, even though I am not calculating anything for this one, the foundation or any other else. Okay, slab I have not taken. Okay, any other structural element I have not taken into consideration. Only I am concentrating on the wall. Okay, it is as it is a basic estimation part. Okay, so this will be the first tutorial on estimation of the building. Okay, using these two methods. Okay, so what I will do here first, okay, first method is long wall and short wall method. Okay, it is of long wall and short wall method right here. Long wall and short wall method. Okay, in this what happens, okay, so first I'll tell you how to work out or how to take the quantity. Okay, here we have done some basic assumptions. That is wall thickness we are taking 0.23 meter, that is 230 mm. Okay, generally we call it as 9-inch walls. Okay, so I'll take those 9-inch walls as a thickness. This is first consideration. And we are taking height of the building. Generally what happens, the residential building is of 3-meter height or might be 3.5. Okay, not more than that. Okay, so here the thing is happen that, okay, here I'll be considering the height of building. Okay, even I'll write here. Okay, height of wall I'm considering 3 meter. Okay, so whatever the depth of this wall is taken into consideration, that is of 3 meter. Now first step is what, the long wall short wall method is there. Okay, now the length of this wall is, how much, 5 meter. Okay, so this wall is 5 meter. How many walls are there? Whatever, okay, long wall is 5 meter and short wall is of 4 meter. Even though in short wall there is a deductions on either side, that is 0.23 and 0.23 deductions will be there, right? So here what I will do, okay, as a first step what I will do, uh, total length is 5 meter. Okay, so here whatever the hatch portion is there. Okay, so in long wall I will be taking the full length of wall, okay, without any deductions, whereas in short wall I will deduct whatever the common area is there. Okay, I'll deduct. Okay, so this is the first junction, we call it as, actually these are the plus minus junctions, no need to deduct anything, but still, okay, so the short wall length is reduced. Okay, these are the outer dimensions we have written, right? Okay, so whatever the 5 meter wall is there, okay, on either side, these acts as a long wall. Okay, and whatever the 4 meter wall minus 230 on either side. As of now, okay, as you know, the thickness of wall is 230 mm. Okay, So total 4 meter minus 2.23, okay, it will be okay, it will be calculated later. First I need to find out, okay, the quantity of these two walls, 5-meter walls. Okay, first I'll go for how many 5-meter walls are there. That is 2. Okay, so I'll write 2 numbers. Okay, what is the length of these 5-meter walls? Okay, yeah, obviously, okay, the long wall is having 5-meter length. Directly I'll be writing 5 meter. What is the breadth of wall? Breadth is nothing but the thickness of wall. Okay, it is of 0.23, so I'll be writing here 0.23. Okay, and what is the depth of wall? Depth or height of wall? That is of 3 meter. Here we have taken, right? Here we are taking, okay, this is 3-meter wall, right? Okay, this is 3 meter, whatever the height we are considering. Okay, the same thing I am taking here. This is height of wall. Okay, that is 3 meter. I'll write 3 meter here. Okay, so I need to find out quantity. Quantity is nothing but what? Numbers, length, breadth and depth. Okay, so what I will do, first I'll click here, number into length into breadth into, okay, next one is depth. Okay, so here it is how much? 6.9 cubic meter. Unit is how much? Unit is cubic meter. So I'll write cubic here, cubic meter. Rate later we'll discuss. Okay, so this is all about the long wall. Okay, so here you can write, okay, in remarks you can make another tabular here. Okay, even you can write remark, right? Okay, right, okay, in this you can write a remark, it is a long wall. Okay, it is left to you, right? And next one is, when it comes to long wall, okay, what will be the length of short wall? Okay, again there are 2 short walls are there. Okay, I'll write 2 here. Okay, length of short walls is, it is total length is 4 meter. You need to deduct whatever the length covered in 5-meter wall. Okay, you are not supposed to take again these dimensions. Okay, so if you take, that will be your error in the estimation. Okay, so what I will do, 4 is the length minus, on either side I am deducting 230 okay, because outer dimension is of 4 meter. Okay, so 4 minus 0.23 minus 0.23. Okay, so inner to inner, whatever the inner to inner length is there, okay, that is inner dimension. Okay, so it is 3.54 and its width is, again it is same 0.23. Okay, and a depth of wall will be same, 3 meter I am taking. Okay, so next will be how much? Okay, here the next this one, quantity will be how much? You need to find out quantity of this wall also. Okay, so it is 4.88 or 89 cubic meter. Okay, so here here what I'll do, I'll be finding the total quantity. Okay, so it is sum of these two. Here I'll be writing same cubic meter. Okay, so here the rate. Okay, another thing we, okay, you may find difficulty. Okay, that is, these are as per your SR, okay, schedule of rates. Okay, here we can get these things from the PWD department everywhere. Okay, KPWD or CPWD. Okay, whatever the rules you are following, just whatever the rates you are following, you go through that. Okay, especially in our side. Okay, that is in especially in India. Generally, it is around 3,400 to 4,000, whatever. But you refer the recent the schedule of rates. Okay, so to build this one, okay, total amount required is how much? 40,069 rupees, which includes, just to go through this, okay, providing, okay, you must know the specification also, providing and constructing brick masonry with approved quality of modular bricks of standard size with the necessary scaffolding, curing for basement and superstructure in cement mortar 1:6. Okay, the ratio of cement mortar here we are taking 1:6, right? So it is used for superstructure. Okay, in this way we will be finding the quantity. In this way we will be finding the quantity of uh, the building, or the quantity of here we have taken a single room building, right? Okay, so in this way we will be finding on long wall and short wall method, whatever the okay red hatched portion is there, that is long wall, and remaining blue hatched portion is short wall. Long wall length we have taken 5 meter, short wall how much it is, 3.54 meter. Okay, so in this way, this is the method of finding the quantity from long wall and short wall method, right? Okay, you do one thing. Okay, if you are really understood, if you like this video, please press like button, as well as you subscribe this channel, and press bell button for following updates. Okay, that is it may be a next video. Okay, I'll be uploading on uh, how to find out quantity using center line method. Okay, here I'm taking a basic things. Okay, I have not taken any huge building here. Okay, only one room building I am taking, with that too without any deductions. Okay, a solid quantity people have calculated, right? Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay, and please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Okay, thank you.